Surprised how well it looks. I'll go out in here and stuff. Hey guys, welcome back. I think it's evening. We're gonna try to take the dash out. I said I was gonna take the steering wheel off, use pulley puller, and take the collar and all that off and pull it off over it. But Greg mentioned I should just take the whole column out and pull it out through the dash. I thought that's what I was gonna do, but I'm not sure now. So I'm gonna try to take the whole column out, and if I can't figure it out or get frustrated, then I'll probably just pull the steering wheel if I have the right bolts to pull it with. With that being said, we're also gonna come back, use this thing again, which by the way, my finger is healing up pretty nice, and do the back side of this. I think I'm gonna grind it down a little bit, maybe weld just a little bit and make it smooth. And then we'll plate the back side, grind this section up here down, kind of below this, and call it good. But we might put a few more welds in here, just kind of make this look a little bit better, and grind this a little bit better so it's more flush, I would say. Other than that, if we do get the dash out, we'll start looking at where the rust is and maybe starting to get an idea of what we need to cut out and everything else. But to be honest, I don't plan on being out here very long tonight. Got a storm coming in and could be severe. I keep on saying that, but it's 60, I think it's like 66 degrees right now. Tomorrow it's gonna be down at 30, so cold front's coming in. So I kind of want to get out here tonight and get this kind of taken care of. But we'll at least get this plated done, and maybe over here get that one done as well, or at least part of it, and hopefully we can get the dash out. That's my main thing, is getting that dash out. Let's sit over here and look at the column wheel situation and think about what we're gonna do. All right, I'm gonna be honest with you. I never pulled a column out of a car before, but that being said, I do know, I mean, those are the shifter levers to shift, between gears. I just don't know what all to take off here in order to pull it through. I'm thinking I might try that first and see what that does. I just don't know if I need to pull this whole piece here off, all the bolts out of it. Like I said, if we can't figure it out, got a pulley puller, and we'll just pop this off and just pull the column off. That way we can just pull it out over it, and it'll be out and out of the way. I might do that anyways. So I want to keep the column in it, and then so I can put the steering wheel back on in case I need to move it. Hate to lose any kind of steering capabilities right now. So that's probably what we'll do. Probably end up pulling the steering wheel. At least trying to. We might try that first. If it don't work, then we'll do so we can't figure this out back through here. So let's set you up and we'll see what we can get done. we're gonna scratch that idea. Look over there and see if we can get it out that way. All right, we're gonna go from this side. Again, I'm gonna remove these bolts here and this V brace thing here. Get all that out. Might undo this clamp here, maybe this one here, I don't know. I was hoping I could just undo this one and the whole thing would slide out and this would stay here. I'm not sure that's how that works, but we'll give this a shot first. If nothing happens, we'll start taking bolts off all the way through here. And we'll have to disconnect the linkages for the transmission if this all has to come out with it. So let's try some stuff. Well, we got it out. See, we need to do a lot of work, especially right here and right over here. Pretty rusty. Give us a chance to pop that thing out and sure you didn't see that. Clean this up a little bit better back here, maybe. Kind of smooth it down. Yeah, it has a lot of rust. Here looks kind of bad. There's no rust through, but it needs to be treated at least. Surprised how well it looks. I got in here and stuff. So pulling the column out was a lot easier than trying to pull the steering wheel off. But now I lost my steering capability. Oh well, we'll just deal with it. Well, that took a lot longer than I expected. Probably shouldn't have messed with trying to pull it off with a pulley puller. Hoping I didn't mess my steering wheel up. Anyways, we got the dash out. You see it's behind me here. We can start filling some of these unnecessary holes as well. Fill those up. Probably need a new one of these. And we'll start getting this metal back down to how it's supposed to be, not so wavy. Start patching in pieces here for the rust that's pretty bad through there. Well, sorry about the kind of short video. May not be that short, but we learned some stuff. It's always good to learn new things. That's all I got for you tonight. See you next time.